what I have is my own medicine, my herbal medicine, which I bring with me always. I'm a sickly person, therefore, I realize I'm very thankful for this retreat. I'm very thank you, Frank, for the nice retreat. I did learn a lot, and you know, I think this bottle of herbal medicine is symbolical for me and for us, because I need a lot of healing myself, my own personal life. I think I realize all of my need to relate more with the Oblate community. And so far, even if I'm in an island, and also the strong desire, that passion within me, I think is the passion with St. Eugene, to do some healing as regards the country. I was born in Cotabato City, conflict area, work in a lot of conflict situation. Now it's doing Tawi-Tawi. My own prayer as I end this retreat with you is that I be an instrument of healing, to bring peace and joy and reconciliation to all.